How are you?
Doing fine, Jordan. Wave hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Hi.
He's so glad to see you.
Hi, Jordan. You want to say hi to me? Hi. You want to shake hands? Yeah, what do you want to say? ABC.
Look at your picture.
Jordan, sit down here with your mommy. You want to sit with your mom? Okay. Yeah. Can you give me a handshake, Jordan? Give me here. Give me 5. So, Jordan, tell me, son, how old are you? 3. Okay. All right. Okay. You want to sing a song? Okay, go right ahead. The sun.
Give it back to him.
Good. Let me ask you something, okay? What's your favorite food? What do you like to eat the most?
Pumpkin!